Welcome back, YouTube. DB Squonks here. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Vladdin RE pod system. Sent directly over from Vladdin. It was actually in a giveaway. I won one in a giveaway and it didn't work. So, yeah, pretty much they sent me another one. So let's see if this one works, I guess. Hopefully it does. I've been interested in trying it out. And the other one that I did receive worked when it wanted to, so yeah, just kept cutting out, but basically I didn't want to do a video without having a working device. Yes, I could have done the video and said, hey, this is crap, I have a device that doesn't work, but I contacted them. They were nice enough to send me another one, and make sure this one works, hopefully. Actually, this is the third one that I received. I'm sorry, I received 3 of them. The first 2, the issue was the pod wouldn't fit all the way in the battery portion. So the first one, that was the problem, and the second one, it would fit, but I had to. It was weird. I don't know. It was basically I had to take one pod from one of the packages I was sent and put it into the device with the other package that I was sent, and it worked when it wanted to. So it was like a hit or miss type thing. So there's really not much to show you guys what all comes in this box. I guess I'll do a dive down and show you everything that comes in it. It's basically just the battery, the pod, and a charging cable. That's pretty much it. It is a 1.5 milliliter capacity pod. It is refillable. So we'll jump down to the table. I'll show you guys what comes in it and show you how to fill it. I'm not sure if it's charged or not. I might have to charge it before I come back, but that's it. Alright, so here's the box. Nothing special, just says Vladdin RE on the front. 1.5 milliliter capacity. Tells you portable and easy to use. Ceramic coil inside. Magnetic connection, USB charger, and convenient top fill design. Side of the box just says Vladdin, UPC code. Bottom just another UPC code. Vladdin, little warnings. Back of the box. I don't know if it'll focus or not. Kind of hard to read, but basically just gives you the features. It says portable and easy to use. Top fill open pod vaping system, consistent and efficient delivery by controlled power magnetic connection between pod and device. Universal micro USB charger. Patented ceramic coil inside. Package includes your Vladdin device, Vladdin replacement pod, USB charging cable, and a quick guide. The going price for these, I've seen them online, just because this is Black Friday weekend. I've seen them online as cheap as $10 for the device, $9.99. But the average going price is $34.99, and the replacement pods come in a pack of 3, and those are $13.95, I believe. I don't know what the sale price is. I didn't see the sale price for the replacement pods, but average price is right around $13 to $15 for the replacement pods. This is what your pod looks like. Those come in one pod. USB charging cable and a little device. Let's see if it tells us what the milliamp hour battery is on this. Just gives you information about the pod or how to fill it. I'll show you guys all that. Trying to find out what the battery capacity is. It's actually not telling me what the capacity is on the battery, but I'll look it up and put it in the description for you guys. But yeah, basically, so pop the pod out here. I'm going to go ahead and fill the pod for you guys. The way the pod works is this is your mouthpiece right here. You pop this off, mouthpiece pulls off, and then you have this little rubber stopper right here. And I'm going outside of my norm today. I normally don't do dessert flavors or anything like that. I usually do candy flavors, but today, for the purpose of this, we're going to be using the butterscotch from Solace. It is a 30 milligram salt nick. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. In my opinion, the fill ports could be a slight tad bit bigger, but all you got to do is stick your tip of the bottle in one of these holes and just fill it up. Again, 1.5 mil capacity. I'm not a big fan of the way that this fills, because as soon as you let go of the bottle, it wants to suck the juice right back up into the bottle. So it's kind of like as soon as I let go. Alright, that's good enough. And no, I'm not going to vape on this right away. I'm going to have to charge this, the actual battery portion. But the way the pod goes, it can only go in one way. So you can't put it in this way because it won't fit. So it goes in one way. I need to let that pod sit for a good 5-10 minutes. Come back, I'll bring it back up top and talk about the pros and cons of this thing. Alright, back up top with the Vladdin RE. I looked it up. It is a 350 milliamp hour battery. So it's not the worst I've seen, and it's not the best I've seen by far, but yeah, this one actually does work. So it does give you has like a little light indicator right on here. Actually, in my opinion, I don't like the indicator light. Actually kind of bothers me, but you know, that's just personal opinion. But the flavor is not bad. Well, so yeah, I guess we'll go over pros and cons. The pro that on this one, I guess, since it does work, the size of it, it does fit in your pocket. You can pretty much stealth vape. So I guess that's pretty much a pro. The battery, the life on the battery, it does last most of the day. So, you know, like, again, it is not the biggest battery, it's not the smallest battery. But to be honest, I found more cons with this device than anything. The price tag at $35, there's definitely better options out there as far as pod systems go. And then the replacement pods are actually pretty reasonable, you know. Basically averages out to about, you know, $4 a piece, I guess, $4 or $5 a piece, which isn't horrible. I guess it's about average. But $35 for a pod system that only has a 350 milliamp hour battery, and the pods, I haven't been able to find them locally anywhere. So the only place I can find the pods is online. So, you know, that's pretty much my cons. But all around, would I recommend it to anyone looking for a pod system? Probably not. There's definitely better options out there as far as, you know, if you're looking for something this size and with this battery capacity, I would probably recommend going with something like the Infinix. It's a little bit cheaper in price. But for what you get out of this, I definitely wouldn't pay $35-40 for it, what they're asking regular retail price. If you can find one on sale for the $10, yeah, I would pick it up for the $10, but I definitely wouldn't pay $35-40 for that. So there you go, guys. That's the Vladdin RE. I will put the advocacy links down below as usual. Make sure you guys follow the advocacy links, do your part. so you can continue to vape flavored juices. I know I don't want to vape just tobacco juices, so I make sure I take my part. Other than that, till next time, guys, stay off the cigarettes. I don't care if you're vaping on a pod like this, or a hand-me-down device, or a $5,000 device. It doesn't matter to me as long as you're not smoking. So be safe out there, guys. Until next time.